Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm a clinical psychologist at our digital clinic, and every day in my practice, I work with people who feel overwhelmed by the constant noise of the world. Have you ever felt like your mind is racing forward, worrying about a tomorrow that hasn't even happened yet? In our fast paced life, anxiety is one of the most common experiences my clients bring to therapy. We worry about our careers, our families, our health, and our uncertain futures. Psychologically, our brains are wired to look for danger and focus on what might go wrong. While that kept our ancestors safe, today it often leaves us feeling tense and disconnected. So, how do we break this cycle? In clinical practice and through centuries old Islamic teachings, we find the exact same powerful tool: gratitude. From a neuroscientific perspective, anxiety and genuine gratitude cannot occupy the mind at the exact same time. Anxiety forces your brain to ask, "What am I missing? And what could go wrong?" Gratitude forces your brain to ask, "What do I have right now? And what is going well?" When you practice active thankfulness, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel good neurotransmitters that lower stress hormones like cortisol. It physically rewires your neural pathways away from fear and toward peace. In Islamic spirituality, gratitude isn't just a pleasant emotion, it is a core therapeutic principle for living well. The Quran highlights a profound truth in Surah Ibrahim. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. When you acknowledge the good in your life, your capacity to recognize and experience goodness expands, which naturally diminishes the space anxiety occupies. Islam also addresses anxiety directly through the concept of tawakkul, which means putting in your best effort and then releasing the outcome to God. Clinically speaking, anxiety is born from trying to control what is fundamentally out of our control. Islamic wisdom shifts us from overthinking to spiritual trust. As the Quran beautifully states, unquestionably, by the remembrance of God, do hearts find rest. When you combine proactive effort with psychological surrender, you lighten the mental weight on your shoulders and realize you don't have to carry everything alone. In our digital clinic, we often recommend three simple daily exercises to ground yourself when anxiety takes over. First, start with a morning acknowledgement. Before reaching for your phone or checking emails, pause, say Alhamdulillah, and name three basic blessings: clean water, breath in your lungs, or shelter. Second, reframe the what ifs. When your anxious mind asks, "What if everything goes wrong?" gently interrupt it and ask, "What is safe and okay right now in this exact moment?" Third, focus on action and release the result. Put in your genuine effort today and consciously hand over the ultimate outcome to the divine, telling yourself, "My job is the effort.